You ever think you're eating healthy, until you realize your light salad dressing has more calories than the actual salad? Yeah, that's the trap. You're trying to do the right thing, right? You grab a store-bought dressing to save time, and boom, 150 calories per serving later, your clean meal just turned into a hidden calorie bomb. But here's the good news: there are dressings out there that won't wreck your diet. And today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best store-bought dressings under 50 calories that actually taste amazing. Here's the truth: most people trying to eat healthy or lose weight have no idea how quickly calories sneak in through condiments. You can do everything right: grilled chicken, fresh greens, all the good stuff, but if your dressing is loaded with oil, sugar, and salt, you might as well be pouring dessert on top of your salad. In fact, nutrition studies show the average dressing can add up to 200 extra calories per meal. And that's often why people say, "I eat healthy, but I'm not losing weight." So today, we're fixing that, once and for all. Let's dive into 5 delicious dressings you can grab at almost any grocery store that keep the flavor high and the calories low. Number 1, Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch Yogurt Dressing. Everybody loves ranch. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's the comfort food of dressings. But traditional ranch? About 140 calories per serving. This one? Only 45 calories. And the flavor still hits. The secret? They use Greek yogurt instead of heavy cream or mayo. I've had this one on everything, from salads to wraps to grilled chicken, and honestly, it feels like you're cheating, but you're not. It's made with real herbs, garlic, and buttermilk, so you still get that classic ranch flavor we all crave. Next time you're in the store, look for the white bottle with the blue cap. Trust me, it's a total game changer. Number 2, Ken's Steakhouse-like Northern Italian dressing with basil and Romano. This one's for my flavor lovers. It's got that sharp Italian zest with a touch of cheese and herbs, and it's only 45 calories per serving. Perfect if you love vinaigrettes but hate the oily, greasy feel. Try drizzling it over grilled veggies or using it as a marinade for chicken. Seriously, toss your veggies in a spoonful before roasting and thank me later. Ken's nailed it here: light but not watery, flavorful but not fake. It's one of those dressings that makes healthy food actually taste good. Number 3, Walden Farms Thousand Island Dressing. Alright, this one will blow your mind: it's 0 calories. Yep, 0. Sounds too good to be true, right? But Walden Farms specializes in calorie-free options, and this one absolutely delivers. It's creamy, tangy, and sweet, perfect for burgers, salads, or even as a dipping sauce for veggies. The key is to use it smart: since it's so flavorful, a little goes a long way. You can find it in most grocery stores or online. If you're serious about cutting calories without cutting taste, Walden Farms is your new best friend. Number 4, Brianna's Home-Style Rich Poppy Seed Dressing, light version. Now, this one surprises a lot of people. It's lightly sweet, perfect for fruit-based salads, and only about 45 calories per serving. Imagine this: spinach, strawberries, grilled chicken, that perfect summer combo. What I love about Brianna's is that it doesn't have that weird artificial aftertaste that some diet dressings do. It tastes real, just lighter. Plus, it's gluten-free, which is great if you're keeping your gut happy. And finally, number 5, Newman's Own Light Balsamic Vinaigrette. A classic. Simple, clean, and no nonsense, just how it should be. Only 35 calories per serving. Now, let's clear up one big myth I hear all the time. Low-fat dressings are always healthier. Not true. A lot of brands remove fat but add sugar or salt to make up for the lost flavor. That's why you can't just trust the low-fat label. You've got to flip that bottle and check what's actually in it. Look for dressings made with yogurt, vinegar, or mustard bases instead of heavy oils. Those give you the taste you want without the calorie overload. Remember, fat isn't the enemy. Hidden calories are. So here's your quick takeaway. Number 1, read the label. Don't assume light means low calorie. Number 2, aim for under 50 calories per 2 tablespoons serving. That's your sweet spot. And number 3, experiment smart. You don't need to give up creamy or flavorful dressings. You just need to pick the right ones. Once you start paying attention to dressings, everything changes. You'll enjoy your meals more, you'll stay consistent, and healthy eating won't feel like punishment anymore. So next time you're walking through that salad dressing aisle, don't just grab the first bottle that says, light. Think about your goals, your taste buds, and your energy. Pick something that fuels your body and satisfies your cravings. Because when you find that balance, you don't just eat healthy, you live healthy. Alright, now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to salad dressing right now? Have you tried any of these, or do you have your own favorite low-calorie pick that deserves a shout-out? Drop it down in the comments. Let's build a list of real options that actually work. And if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button, because every week, we're cutting through the noise and giving you real, honest nutrition hacks to make healthy living simple, doable, and sustainable. Remember, small swaps lead to big changes. One better choice at a time. You've got this.